Hey there, amazing artists! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where we're about to dive into the whimsical world of water monsters. Let's start this adventure with our very own Monster Splash. Our adventure begins with this adorable water splash, which is not just any splash. It's the head and body of our mischievous water monster. Can you believe it? It's like a splashy masterpiece come to life. Beneath our monster, we've got these playful running lines that give it a sense of motion. And down there, a little puddle, just to show where this watery fellow has been making a splash. Oh, this water monster means business. And to make things even more fun, we've added a sprinkle of water droplets here and there. It's like our monster is always in the middle of a splashy adventure. Now let's meet our monster's personality. It's got these big, angry eyes right in the middle of the splash. And those pursed lips with two edgy teeth sticking out. Now, it's time for the magic part colors. We've painted our monster in two lovely shades of blue. The ends are a dark blue, while the torso, face, and lower part are filled in with a lighter, friendlier shade. To add that extra oomph, we've sprinkled a few dark blue lines for contrast. It's turned our splash into the perfect angry water monster. And there you have it, our fantastic water monster. So grab your colors and let your imagination make a splash. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting art adventures. Until next time, keep making a splash with your art, and I'll see you soon.